Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you and tell you how to withdraw your Cash App money without a card. So first, the smoothest route, send your money to a linked bank account. Open Cash App, tap the Money tab, that's the dollar sign at the bottom. Hit Cash Out, pick your amounts and select your bank from the list. Choose Standard for free, takes 1 to 3 days, or Instant for a small fee, like 1.5%. Confirm with your PIN and it's on the way. Then hit a ATM or a bank with your regular debit card to grab the cash. So if you have no bank linked, step 2, use a buddy. In the Cash App, tap the dollar icon, enter the amount and hit pay. Type your friend's hashtag or phone number, someone you trust, and send it. They can withdraw it with their cash card or bank and hand you the cash. I've done this with a pal at a coffee shop, worked like a charm. Just be sure they're solid. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Got your cash yet? Drop your hack below. Like and subscribe for more money moves. See you next time.